So let me give you an example of rearranging something or repurposing something that you already have. Now, one change I wanted to make is to my coffee table in the great room. And I wanted to do that for reasons that are probably pretty obvious to those of you who have followed me for a while. And that is, I wanted a coffee table that didn't have lots of sharp edges. So I switched it out and I had this beautiful new coffee table that I got at Urbane, a local store. It has that kind of earthiness. It has the kind of, kind of subtle organic qualities to it that I like. And I also think it showcases the things that are staged on it in a good way. But you may say, well, Linda, what did you do with that coffee table that you already had? Well, I asked Stuart if he wanted it, and he equivocated about it. He didn't know if it would fit in his space or not. So while he was thinking about it, I just decided to repurpose it. So if you are new to this channel, Stuart, right here, let's put a picture of what the old coffee table looked like here. It was a glass coffee table, rectangular shape with kind of pointy edges that sat in a heavy, heavy iron frame. I got it at Pottery Barn years and years ago. I really still like the table. I just didn't like those hard edges and what they might do to little Danny's little head as she was crawling around, and also what it does to my husband's shins when he comes in and he's walking past it to his chair. So what I did was, and if you followed me for a long time, you saw me try to do this in the kitchen. I turned it on its side. So instead of it lying flush to the ground, where these right here were the feet, and if you torqued it clockwise, both of these 4 feet, they would be on the ground. I just tipped it on its side, and it makes a perfect place now for me to hang my collection of throws. This is a very Ralph Lauren-y kind of touch. I think I love the way it looks. I love the way it exposes still kind of the knot work on the edges. It's proven to be just a perfect vehicle to hold my collection of throws. And it also holds Hub's paddles. Again, very Ralph Lauren-y. Before, these were just stuck in the corner and they would kind of fall out. Hubs didn't want to leave them out in the garage because I think they're kind of a beautiful piece of sculpture in and of themselves. It kind of matches the woodsy vibe that I've got in here. And so now they can just rest right there. And I think the composition looks good. This space, kind of a forgotten space that I wanted to press into service for some reason, it was just kind of awkward. It was just kind of a null space. Well, now I have filled it up. I really like the way it looks. You guys, my first question of the day is, tell me, what do you think about repurposing the frame of a coffee table and using it as a blanket stand? So you may ask, okay, but what about the bevel glass top?